How to order on GrabFood. Open the app. Search Bilalo World. Choose from the menu. Premium pork tasalog. Hit place order once complete.
So this is love. So this is what makes life divine. I'm all aglow.
Okay, sama.
So, what you had just watched is an example of my case study, which is GrabFood application, on how information travels from the sender, which is the customer, mode of communication, the Grab application itself, receiver, which are the Grab server, restaurant, and delivery man. Good morning guys! Today I'm going to discuss my case study, which is the GrabFood application, on how information travels from the sender, mode of communication, and then receiver. I just want you to focus on those three concepts. Sender being the initiator, creator of the message that is to be transmitted to the receiver, mode of communication, which is the bridge between the receiver and the sender to make the flow of communication possible. Receiver, from the word receive, he received the message, decode, decipher, and then give feedback to the sender. Later on, I'm going to insert the OSI layers that are used and then TCP protocols. So let's begin. To further understand my case study, I will explain every part on how information travels from the sender, mode of communication, and receiver. So our story begins with the customer or the sender. They open the GrabFood app, choose their favorite meal, and press order. It's like writing a letter and dropping it into a mailbox. From there, you are already the initiator, which is the sender. But this isn't just any letter. Inside are details like the food items, the price, the delivery address, and payments information. To keep it safe, the system locks the envelope with HTTPS, which means Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. Like a padlock that ensures no one can peek inside it when it's traveling. Vision it like a private jet that you own, so you can only access. Now that we know where the information came from, let's move on to its mode of communication, which is the bridge. Now the letter needs a road to travel on. GrabFood uses two main roads. In our previous lessons, we have learned that there are three ways communication, which is the simplex, half duplex, and full duplex communication. Now in my case study, they uses two ways of communication, which is the full duplex communication and half duplex communication. Now, full duplex communication, it's like a two-way street where cars can go both direction at a time. This is used when customer sends the order and the server immediately sends back confirmation. And the half duplex communication, like one-lane bridge where only one car can pass at a time. It is used for rider GPS updates. First, the rider sends location, then the server replies with update tracking. So, the information travels through unguided media, Wi-Fi or mobile data, and guided media, fiber optic cables. Think of this as highways. Some are invisible wireless roads, other are solid fiber highways underground, like a tunnel. Now let's go to the receivers. The GrabFood server is the first receiver. It's like the central post office that sorts letter, the confirmation part. The server checks the order, verifies payments using TCP. It's like a careful inspector who makes sure every item is correct and retries if something is missing, and then forwards the details. Next, the restaurant received the order. They're like the shopkeeper who opens the letter, reads the list, and prepares the food. It's where the product or the food physically made. Finally, the delivery rider gets instruction. Their phone receives GPS routes and order details. For location updates, GrabFood uses UDP, like a speedy messenger who doesn't stop to double check every word, but delivers quick updates so the customer can track the riders in real time or can see the progress. So these are the OSI layer that are playing behind the scene. We have the physical layer, the road itself, through Wi-Fi signals or mobile data. Data link layer, the traffic lights that keeps information moving safely. Network layer, the GPS that assigns addresses so the letter knows where to go, like a postal code. The transport layer, TCP and UDP. They are like a double checker whether the order is correct or not. The inspector and speedy couriers. Session layer, the meeting room where the customer and server keeps their conversation. Presentation layer, the translator who makes sure the data is readable. Then, application layer, the GrabFood app interface, the friendly counter where the customer places the order. So, the customer who started as the sender now becomes the receiver. They get notifications, order confirmed, rider on the way, food delivered. Thanks to these protocols, which are the HTTPS, TCP, UDP, API, and the OSI layers. Now, the information and the package of the customer can now arrive safely.